In front of me is iPad 13 2026, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. All you need to do is open Passwords app that's already on your iPad and enter your current passcode. Now choose All at the top left corner and find your password by scrolling down, using those arrows at the bottom to, for example, tap on Date Edited and see recently edited passwords, or tap on the search bar at the top right corner and type in whatever you wish. Either way, after finding your password, click on it, then hit Edit at the top, and to get rid of it, use the Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!